Good morning, guys. Happy New Week. Welcome to my channel. My name is BTC, and you're watching degenpal. Today, I just want to give you guys a review of some of the trades I'm looking forward to entering this morning. For those who are interested in trading with me, they can also choose to take positions or prepare their mind and wait for the entry to come. So, some of those trades are include number one is gold. My number one pay is gold, as you can see. Gold, look at gold. Gold made Gold made a higher high. That was last week, which it broke above this uh, previous high with a closing candle. Now it's actually pulled back last week also. It's sold down, that is pulled back into this region. As you guys can know, this region has been like as active as a resistance in the previous days and previous months, and we are expecting it to act as a support on this. We are expecting to act as a support on this one, like so. We're actually looking forward to like as you guys can see, it has actually entered into that region. It has pushed into the OTC region, which is within this region. Now let's go down to a lower time frame and look at it. If we go down to 1 hour time frame, look at it. This 1 hour time frame, as you can see. Within that 1 hour time frame, it has had a lot of resistance. Like as you guys can see, it's really made a lot of resistance, like resistance here in the previous, and also it pushed down into it last weekend. And we expected it to push up a little, it push up to make here, and also pushing back this morning. As you guys can see, this morning it has pushed back into this region. Then if you look at your RSI is showing that it's overbought, and they also have an RSI divergence here. Yes, they have an RSI divergence. Look at this, the gap, this one now. When we say RSI divergence, don't mean by RSI divergence, something like this is RSI divergence. If you do a trend line within this measuring this region, see the way it is. Then do a trend line measuring this one also, see the way it is. As you guys can see, this one is steeper. It's steeper. Let me not speak the wrong way. It's steeper than this one, showing that it's actually divergent. Okay. So we have an RSI divergence here. So which is another confluence. Now we're waiting for entry. Okay, me, I've actually taken the first entry. I've entered the first one. I took this one last week. Then I took this one, just like a scalping. I scalped it up to this neckline. Now, it has actually created this entry, under entry, after the closing of this particular 1 hour candle, right here. This should be your 9 o'clock candle. So on this 10 o'clock candle, it has created an entry. So for those who really want to trade, you can just snap in right now, right here, right now. Then put your stop loss below here to be on the safer side. Then your take profit at this previous inducement region, or rather your resistance region, possible resistance region. Now, okay, but if you really want to maximize your risk to reward, you can take your stop loss up here, then put your this in here. So, but the possibility that two of them might likely play out, but there are possibilities that I might kick out this one without kicking out this one. So, but it depends on who is trading. If you're someone that want to risk, like you're ready to camp risk, and just take your stop loss here. But for me personally, to be honest, I that I bring my stop loss down here below this lower low, so that at least let me know that if it kicks me out, the market is changing direction. In other words, we're having a break of structure. Understand? I'm not comfortable putting my stop loss within the structure either. I'm comfortable doing that. So that even if it kicks me out, that means we're having a break of structure. That means I should be looking forward to going short. Now this is silver. Sorry, this is gold, and the next one is silver. I told you guys I hardly analyze silver. I use whenever I trade gold, I trade silver at the same time. So the same way I scalped gold, I'm also scalping silver here to take my profit up here. This is when I take profit on silver. After that one, I'm also long on silver. Double position. This is the first position here. I took it last week Friday, and when the week was about to end. So I'm actually looking forward to taking another one, but that should be here after the break of this previous high. If it breaks this previous high, then I will not take another one up to this region, or I can take it up to this region, then take my first profit, then take my second profit. These are good and silver. Then the next pair I'm looking at right now is BTC. This is BTC here. BTC broke a trend, which is this particular small trend. Okay, it broke this trend. I'm expecting it to come down to retest this trend anyways, or there are possibility I might not retest this trend. So there are two things that can either happen in BTC. Now BTC might likely shoot up with this positive engulfing candle. It might shoot up to this point, then or it might not maintain it. It might shoot up to this point, like it might ride it up to this point. Understand? Or it might come down. But I'm actually expecting it to come down and retest this candle. If it tests this standard, if actually it tests this standard, that means I will be more comfortable going long on Bitcoin. But if it doesn't, man, I might not take it. I'll just allow it to do whatever I want to do. But if we test this trend line, that means I'll be taking long somewhere here like this, putting my stop loss below the trend line, depending on this, and then putting my take profit up here. At least right here, I'm comfortable. That is likely to close successfully. Okay, so this also that is on Bitcoin. Then other place I'm looking at also is CHF and JPY. CHF and JPY. This CHF and JPY. When I mean CHF, like up is against the CHF. I think I can see on CAD CHF is coming to make a second leg. So if it constantly second leg and gives me an entry, I'll ride it up to this region. I'll ride it up to this region, this upper region. But yeah, I'll ride it up to this upper region. If it gives me an entry and a positive indication that the buyers are coming to the market. Then the next one is JPY also. JPY, that is CAD JPY. As you guys can see, CAD JPY has already given me a double leg, but it has not given me an entry. When I mean entry, I mean it has not shown that the buyers are taking over the market. So I'm waiting for this candle that is coming down now to also enter into this zone. If it enters into this zone, this one might enter very well because this one might enter very well. So this one enters very well and gives me entry, then I can now long it up to this point again. Up to this point again. Then the next pay I'm looking at right now is this. Remember this CAD CHF. I also apply the same ideology to New Zealand CHF, US CHF, Great Britain CHF, and co. So see something. The next one I'm looking at now is USD and CAD. UAD and CAD. As you guys can see, USD broke. This was the previous low last weekend. So it broke it. So I'm waiting for it to retest this low. If successfully retest this place now, then as you can see, this engulfing candle dream light is already retested. So I'm waiting for this candle to close on hourly time frame. Or if you are someone that can gamble very well, you can still go short on it right now on 15-minute time frame. You can just go short on it on 15-minute time frame right here. Your stop loss up here and your take profit down here. Yeah. Or you can, to be more concise, you can just wait for this candle to close. Then you cannot put your go and on it. Then the next pair I'm looking at is CAD also. CAD is also the same thing I'm looking at. CAD has not really given me a clear indication. This was the previous high last week. It broke it. So this is giving me a sell pressure. It gave me a sell pressure. Now look at this sell pressure. You can also go short on it together with this something like this. You can also go short now if you wish. Something like this and put your stop loss here. Then put your take profit. Put your take profit somewhere down here. Somewhere down here. Or you can wait for the 1 hour candle to close to have a concise entry. You can wait for 1 hour candle to close, then can I write it up? Okay. So these just basically the pairs I'm looking forward to trading today. And remember, when I trade, I'm also trading not just on this two pair. Actually, I'm trading it like if this JPY give me what I want now, I'm trading it against a USD JPY, CAD JPY, New Zealand JPY, EAD JPY, EU JPY, and Great Britain pound JPY. So this is just basically the trade I'm looking forward to taking to the marketness. So I wish you guys a successful day and also a successful week. We pray to make it something huge this week at least. I'm so happy for you being here with me, also trading with me. So please, in case you are watching me for the first time, do it to subscribe and also like the video so that can get to others. Okay. I love you guys. Enjoy your day. Bye for now.